welcome to your training video today. In this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get free network marketing leads for any company you're involved with, whether you're with Amway or USANA, health and wellness, travel company, or Ibuumerang. It does not matter. I'm going to show you examples of how you can promote your very own customizable lead capture pages to get free leads on the internet for your business. So let's say you're in a health company and you focus on helping your network get healthier. You consume vitamins, you sell health foods or whatever. All right, this is a page in front of you that would be a good way to promote your company. It says you are about to discover how to get paid for helping your friends get healthy. So that's just one variation. All right, you can change the wording with this system that I'm talking about today, and you can make it say whatever you want. So if you have a unique product or a very compelling USP, like a unique selling proposition for your company, you can put that in here and create interest for your company. All right, let's look at another one. Let's say, okay, so this is another example of health and wellness, or like a skincare company. If you have a skincare line, this would be a good line. Learn how to earn extra money from home, helping ordinary people feel extraordinary in their own skin. And it's got the countdown timer, okay? Here's one for if you have a variety of products, all right? So like an Amway, how would you like to make good money sharing a variety of exceptional products without even leaving your home? All right, so this kind of headline, these kind of headlines are gonna get interest for your perfect prospect. All right, they're gonna get interest for your perfect prospect, and when they enter their email, they'll be stored in your contact system, which I'll show you where you can access that too in your back office. All right, so if you happen to want to use this system and you want to create pages like this, or even use pages just like this that I already made, you would log in to mycompanyadmin.com, which you can do by going there. But first, you would set up what's called a 7-day free trial. You can make a free trial below the video. Then you'd log in and you can collect and manage and prospect your leads right here in your back office. If you actually hover over the contacts manager section, you can set reminders, you can organize your leads into groups, you can export them. All right, you can see who's clicking your emails. We give you a bunch of tools to basically follow up, contact your leads, rate them on a scale of 1 to 5, color code them, etc. And they'll all be stored right here in the contact section. Now, if you wanted to collect name, email, and phone number, all you'd have to do is edit your page to where it puts in the phone and the name, and you can collect all of your prospects' contact information as well. Let's look at one for travel before I go. All right, so let's say you're an Ibuumerang. You could use this exact page if you're an Ibuumerang. Would you like to travel in 4- and 5-star style, but at 2- and 3-star prices? All right, that is gonna get a click and a lead for your perfect prospect. If you're sharing your pages on Twitter and Facebook, all right, and on YouTube, and you're targeting the right people that are interested in what you're offering, they're going to opt in. They're going to become a lead to your company. And this is how you can get free leads to your network marketing, because other than the cost of using the system, it doesn't actually cost to get traffic to your website. That's a big point. You don't have to spend money on paid ads to get traffic through to these websites. You can create, interesting content much like this here on my page right here. I just took a picture of myself, put in some wording, and then put a link to my website. And then if someone clicks that and enters their email, they're going to become a lead, all right, for my opportunity. And this is the same thing for you. All right, so you can promote this same kind of content on your social medias and then just point your prospects back to your website, and that's how you're going to collect leads, and the leads are going to be stored in your back office. And they give you an email autoresponder, so you can email them, you can text them, you can follow up with them. We have done We have done for you written email campaigns, and all you got to do to get access to everything you see on the screen, the websites, the contact manager, all the training in here too, text links, swipe copy, banners, all this stuff. To get access to it, all you need to do is click the link below the video and sign up for a 7-day free trial. And this works for any MLM network marketing company.